Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to find the best micro task work opportunities online. And we're going to be diving in and we're going to be going through different websites that you can use to get the best micro jobs online. Now, these are not jobs such as surveys or anything like that. These are a little bit more involved, and they could be sort of like testing websites, testing apps, doing some in store surveys and that sort of thing. So let's jump straight into it and find out a little bit more about these and the best opportunities for the micro tasks that you can do from home. Okay, so the first site we're going to be looking at Appen. As you can see here, they obviously do an app as well. Most of these sites have got an app, so you can work from your mobile as well as from your laptop or PC. And as you can see, part-time flexible jobs. And you've got various different things here. You've got projects, which are sort of longer term and could be part-time opportunities. You've also got micro tasks as well. And you've also got survey and data collection, which you could use as well. But we're talking more about these micro tasks and the projects today. So some of the tasks here could be positions that are affiliated with our global offices focused on engineering, marketing, sales, or finance. You've also got language jobs such as flexible working, transcription, translation, and linguistics. So as you can see, some totally different jobs to a normal sort of like small tasks here. These could be something you could go into a full-time living with. But that's the first one you want to look at is Appen. Second one we want to look at is called Lionbridge. And it says here, what do we do? And it says we create, transform, test, and train more content than anyone else in the world, from text, voice, audio, video to structured and unstructured data. And as you can see, there's loads of different services they offer: technical writing, training and e-learning, financial reports, translation services as well. So that could be video, translation software localization, translation for regulated companies, and also multilingual SEO and digital marketing. So as you can see, loads of different variations of stuff that you can do, and a lot of this stuff is you don't even need to be qualified or have any qualifications in this at all. And of course, a lot of these sites now are using AI powered content as well, so it's even easier to actually go and complete these micro tasks that these companies are looking for. Okay, if you're enjoying this video, then make sure you give us a big thumbs up. This will help us get up the algorithms on YouTube and get more views, which is so more people can actually see this video. So the third one we're going to be looking at is called User Testing. This is a company that's been around for quite a long time, and I've done various videos about user testing. You can probably check out a full video review I did of user testing by just clicking on the link above. Again, you've got various different things you can actually do here, and it's powering over 3,400 of the world's top brands. Okay, so this could be doing things for tasks just for companies such as ATB, Canva, GoDaddy, HelloFresh, Subway, HP, all these sort of companies. And there are various qualifications you might have to jump through with the user testing site. So just make sure you go onto here and check it out completely. Even have opportunities in healthcare as well. Okay, so back we come, and the next one we're going to talk about is called PicoWorkers. As you can see here, you could earn $25 per day working from home without any experience. So this is probably the easiest one to actually go and sign up for. As you can see, you just follow some of the videos here, which obviously will go through everything you need to do. And it also, you can withdraw your money through the various different means: PayPal, Skrill, AirTM, and Uphold, and Litecoin as well. And also, some tasks will only be a couple of minutes long, and you'll even get paid up to $2 to complete those tasks as well. They do healthy bonuses and that sort of thing. It says, do you want to earn $100+ every day with PicoWorkers? Next one we've got is Field Agent, and these are specialists in retail audits and shopper insights. So some of these you would have to go and actually visit a shop or an actual retail outlet and do certain audits with your phone. You might have to take photos, you might have to do a short survey on what you found. So all that sort of thing. So this might not suit everybody because it obviously would mean that you would have to travel a bit sometimes. And these will vary depending on the country that you live in and whether you're living in a very big city, you're more likely to get more options than are if you are living in a more rural area. But they will basically help you go and get these will help the brands actually identify various different opportunities for growth within their sector. So again, like I say, you need to do possible small videos and that sort of thing. Take pictures inside shops, do shopper insights, and also try and buy and then review a product as well. Field agent crowdsources from its ever-growing crowd of over 140,000 shoppers. So we can call these shoppers agents. Our agents have downloaded our free app, which allows them to connect with the brands and retailers in stores and or online across the country to thousands of shoppers. So the last one we're going to talk about today is called Gig Worker. And as you can see here, it says unlock the gig economy with Gig Worker. Gigs here, so you can browse companies, you've got employment or you've got side hustle. So if you wanted to do employment, you can then just search and learn about employment, including the basic types of choosing from the different classifications of work within this category. At the moment, Gig Worker actually you can browse up to 72 companies, and some of them are obviously well-known brands: Airbnb, Amazon, American Express. Now, like I say, with all of these will vary from country to country. Some of them will have more options, and some will have lesser options in certain areas. So make sure you stay obviously wary of that. But all of these are great places to start when you're looking to get the best micro task work opportunities for online work. Don't even join just one. If you want to look at doing this more of a full-time thing, then join quite a few. If not, join all of these if they are available in your country. So then you will get you're going to get more choice of the micro tasks that you're going to be able to do, which will make it even better for you. And obviously, you'll be able to earn more cash. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.